At large complex sites like rugby, drivers are expected to arrive, navigate and operate safely, often with little familiarity of the environment.
So one of the problems we had is, especially with first-time drivers, when they're arriving on site, they were getting lost. This is a massive site. They would inevitably end up walking across the yard without the correct PPE on.
Traditional inductions relied on classroom briefings, paper maps and verbal instructions. They explained the rules, but they didn't show drivers how a live site actually works. On a site this large, that gap in understanding creates real risk.
Even though they had a basic map, they didn't really know the ins and outs of where to go on site, and we found that they would end up in places where they shouldn't be, and it was just creating risk.
To solve this, CEMEX rethought induction completely, creating site guide videos that show the full driver journey before a driver ever arrives on site.
It wasn't that we wanted to move away from the traditional inductions, we more wanted to enhance it. But we wanted to give the driver a better view of what he's going to encounter when he's on site.
Each video was filmed and created internally, designed to replicate the real experience using both in-cab footage and aerial views.
With the drone footage, it gives more of a three-dimensional view. It let the driver see more of a top-down view of the site and just give him a better preparation of what he's going to encounter on site.
Combining in-cab footage with drone views gives drivers both detail and context, helping them understand not just where to go, but how to move safely through the site. From side entrance and weighbridges to one-way systems, crossings and loading points, the videos walk drivers through the exact route they'll be taking.
The video gave me a real insight into how the site would look when I entered it, and it made it feel as if I'd been there before. It's all about confidence and vulnerability, and when you gain confidence, you lose a bit of vulnerability.
So the video that we've now done is actually cured that overnight. The guys see the video, they know where to go, they know how to get here safely.
Drivers now arrive prepared with a clear understanding of layout hazards and traffic flow, reducing confusion and significantly lowering the risk of unsafe movements. And because the videos are available on demand, drivers can revisit them at any time before arriving on site.
They can actually go in on their device and have a look at the information and see the video anytime they want.
This isn't just a better induction, it's a step change in how drivers are prepared for site.
I think this is going to be the standard for everybody. I think all sites, regardless of whether it's CEMEX or it's an external customer or anybody else within the industry, they really need to look at this sort of way of providing information to people who have never been on their sites before.